Right, we're going to try and stalk some carp off the top with some bread. Come up the top of the feed, so chuck some bread in. And one piece is going to have a hook in. This one. What? 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 Don't break it. Come here. Unscrew it from the other side. Okay, honey. Gotta be quiet, okay? Do you tighten it back up? Do you tighten it back up? No, do you tighten it back up, the handle? Watch that hook with your brother. Harry, come here. Watch. Stay there. Harry. Look, good evening. Sit down. Oh, tell Jack to go and get the net. Huh? Shh. You've got to be quiet, love. You have one now. Shh. Oh, he took it. He took the bread. Just put that down a minute. He took the bread. Honey, we're gonna catch a fish. Shh. Shh. Put it down now. they're just taking the bread. They're just taking it, honey. Really different bread. Hold that a minute. Hold it. Just hold it still. Go on, Jack. This on. Bring the net. Wait. Tie him up a little bit first. Chill. Harry, come by here. Come on, Harry, catch this. Put that down. Come by here, quick. Right. Reel it, Harry. The wasp. Reel it up. Whoa, this is a big one. Go on, Harry. Whoa, don't let it get off. Hold that, Jack. Whoa, this is a big one. Wait, stop reeling. I'll put the net in the water. Whoa. Wait, hold it. Ready? Wait, we got it? Nope. No, move the net. Jack, move the net, look. It's going underneath.
Ready?
We need to tie them a little bit. Right, let's lift it up.
Ready?
Right, no, we've got to get him up. Reel it, Harry. Reel it. Oh, yeah. Come on, you almost got it. Get him.
Go.
Yeah, boy. Whoa, Harry got a fish. Get the net out, the pad. Get the pad. You got him, boy.
That's my first one.
Check that out for the first fish. I think you might have the biggest one. Whoa.
Good catch, high five.
You gotta get the hook out now.
Good. There you go. Wait, you broken?
Not broken.
I might need it to go, Jim.
Touch him.
What?
You want to touch your face, right? Go on. Right then. Nice.
Right, you gotta hold him now for a photo. Ready?
What's wrong with him?
Nothing, we just gotta check him out the water.
That's how he frees.
Let's get a photo first. Right, Jack can take the photo, I'll help you hold it. Ready?
Don't be terrified.
Don't be terrified, it's just a fish, okay?
It can get me in it.
It's not gonna get you. Just move your rod. Right, you gotta put your thumb in his mouth.
That was first my
Come on, boy.
five.
Let me show you. This is how you do it, ready? Ready? Come down here. Kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down. Come here. It's okay. You gotta hold him for a photo. Come on. Get up. Stand up. Quick, come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. Ready? No, just hold him. Ready? Look at the camera. Come on.
Hold him.
Hold him. You gotta hold him on yourself. Hold him by yourself. It's fine. So just a fish. Come on. Come on. Don't cry. It's okay. Do you want to put him back in the water? Why are you crying? Don't cry. You caught a big fish. You got the biggest one. Come on. Let's put him back in the water. Film it. You filming? Yeah. You're on wide, proper wide. Yeah. Right, this is Harry's first fish. Why are you crying? Come here. Come on, we're doing a video. Look, you caught the biggest one of the day. Yeah, boy. Should we let it back in the water?
Yeah.
Come on, then.
I think I can do another one.
Maybe. Let's lay this back. Come on. What? Don't stand on the rod. Come by me.
Bye.
Come by me.
That's my food.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Give her a kiss. I'm only joking. Come here. Don't stand on that float. Ready? We're going to let it go now. Ready? Come by here and see it go. There he goes. Harry's first fish ever in his life, and it was a monster. Absolute monster. What? Who farts? No. Did it scare you? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Good job. See if Jack can catch one now. Let's try again. Huh? Time for Dada to catch one. Maybe. No, leave that. What do you think of that then? I think you caught the biggest one today. You okay? How do you feel? Do you feel like a fisherman? No. Oh, don't be sad. Come here. Why are you sad now? Because you was holding it. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. You just said yo. You saying yo, what's up? Fish on. I got one, Harry. Oh, what's this one? Quick, pass me the net. Come on, my man.
No.
Be careful now by the edge. Let me do it. Let me do it. Oh, it's a little one. Uh-oh. Yes, we got it. We got it. Yep, it's a nice looking one, this. Watch out, careful. No, he's okay.
Who is him? Okay?
Mm-hmm. What? Right, stay still. It's in my finger. Harry, you've got to be careful, mate. Move your foot. Move your foot. Oh, you almost stepped on that. That was my dad. So be careful, mate, please. And that hook went in my finger. Right, look at this one. I think it's pregnant.
Yeah, the one.
Oh, Jack, got another one. I'm not sure if this one's pregnant. Jack's not bothered. He's losing. Let's put it back. Okay. What's the rod? 2-1 in it. 2-1.
I'm not going.
Yeah, you did.
I'm the only one that's going. You can't get another one? Dad,
What?
you think I can get another one?
Maybe.
No.
I'll try, shall we? Nah. Okay. Okay.
Am I doing another one?
In a minute, yeah. Fish on. Yep. Yep. Wait a minute. Another one on, Jack.
Yeah. Yeah. Another one. Come on.
Right there, Harry. Don't go by the edge.
Right.
Pull in hard.
Okay.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Okay.
Come here, pass a bit. What's the edge?
Yeah.
Oh. This might be the biggest one of the day. This is the biggest one of the day, I reckon. Hope this GoPro's recording.
Yeah.
No one else is.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. Here's a little wrap bag. That's the biggest one of the day. There. Yeah, let's let him go. How many did I caught? I've lost count. How many have I caught? I've lost count. Should we get another one? Yeah, you can go on. You can go the next one. Which? How many have I caught? No, 3.
What, 5? That was a big one of the day.
That was the biggest one of the day.
Lower.
Oh, come on, duck. What's this duck now, Jack? This is looking to start taking bread. Careful now.
Forward.
We're gonna get another one now.
Go in.
No, how do you gotta shh, be quiet. Fish on. Fish on, Jack. Huh? Want to bring the net over here? Wait a minute. This is a little fight there. Let them get tired. Oh, it's a nice size.
Go. And get it, okay?
Oh, he got away. Damn.
Yeah.
I think that hooked his side. I think that hooked in his side. That was a big fish. Well, leave the net by there, love. Pass me some bread. Jack, got the bread?
Dad.
What?
Can I catch it?
We're going to see now. Right, shh, watch this now. Stand back a bit, love. It's a bit windy now. Oh, he had it. He had it. What, love?
No score.
No score. What? How? I'll just leave him a minute. Just bring the bread. Just leave it, Jack. Find some bread on the floor. That'll do. Wait a minute. Stand back, love. Schoolboy at it. Drop it by there. You not caught one here, Jack? Watch this now. Yep. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, I got away again. Damn. What is going on? He got away, love. Careful, Harry. How you doing, Jack? How are you doing? Do you think your approach is wrong? Huh? I don't know. How many have I caught now? 4. 6, isn't it? Or 5. Definitely 5. It's 5 or 6. Put that back there now, Harry. In a minute.
Dad?
No, not yet.
You want to do some fish?
Fish on. Oh, he's a gutsy one. Get a net. Oh, this is a big one. Get the net, quick, pass here. He's a big one. Stand back. I feel like I'm going to lose this one.
Hey, I'm going.
What is going on?
Oh, wait.
I haven't got. No, not yet. Oh, he's fighting. Oh, look at the bend on that. Oh, you don't want to come up. You don't want to come up. This might be the biggest one of the day. Hey, Jack. What's the matter? Oh, look at this. Jack, come and grab this net. I need help. You don't want to come up. I feel like he's going to get off. He's massive. Get him. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, no. Wait. Get him. That's it. Yeah, boy. This is definitely the biggest one of the day.
100%. 100%.
Oh, look at that. Right, so you're going to have to get my other camera now.
Look at them. Look at that. What's the score of the day?
Hold there.
Look at that.
Right, this is definitely the biggest one of the day. I think it's number 6, is it? Yeah. Let me on. Okay. He put up hell of a fight as well. I knew he was going to be big.
You reckon he has fight?
Yeah. Let's swing back a bit. Watch out. Yeah, Harry.
That was a big one. Big.
That was definitely the biggest one of the day. Yeah, boys. Now that's a fish. Do you want to touch it?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it back in the water straight away. Nice, nice fish. Make sure he's okay. All the baits you buy and all that, and we're just catching them on top of bread. That's the luckiest I've ever been carp fishing, is on top of bread.
Big. That was a big one.
You got all the spicy boilies and ground baits. And...
That was a big one.
Do you want to have a go by here?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Shall I show you how to do it? Huh? Let me see. Come here. Where's your bread?
Did you want that?
Come over here. Right, watch out. Don't stand on that, Harry. Wait by there. Let's see if it's your rod that's broke. Right? Very quick go a minute. Hold that a second. This is one of your problems. This is one of your problems. You just test out your rod a minute, Jack. Oh, look at this. Just tangled, proper tangled there. Right. Hold down. Walk back. Walk backwards. Go on, keep, just reel. Reel. Keep going. Stop. Right. Oh, you should be okay now. Right, you just do that, yeah? Like that. Come here. Let me just show you one time. Shush, love. Yeah, ducks. Watch, you just look it out. Don't take it straight away. Now, see? So give him a chance. Yeah. Stand back. Come here. Right, stop. Oh. That's it. Bring him up, boy. Huh? Is it a big one?
Yeah, he's trying to fight, yeah.
Oh yeah. Harry, come over here, love. Stay away from the water. Boy, Jack's got a big fish on. She's trying to get away. Harry, wait by there, love. Bring it up so we can see the float. You haven't seen him yet. Oh wait. Come on. Don't let him go down. Bring him up. Lift your rod up high, like. Try and get your rod up high. Right there. You alright?
Yeah.
Let's tide him out a little bit. Yeah, boy. I hope this GoPro's still recording. Lift it up. Don't let him go. Don't let him go under there. Bring your rod over here. That's it. Don't let him beat you, boy. Lift your rod up. Don't let him go underneath. Oh, yeah, got it. Yes. Oh, this. I think this might be the biggest one.
Reckon?
It might be, unless it's the same one. Look how you've hooked him. You've hooked him in again. This is the biggest one, I think. Oh, what a shit place to hook him.
Look at this mouth. Look at this mouth.
Right. Let me move my rod a minute. Right there. Yo, move that in. Let me get my phone because I'm not sure if this GoPro's recording.
He might be sad.
He's okay though.
I think he lost his mate. Dad.
What, love?
I think he lost his mate.
Right, hopefully I could just caught that on a GoPro, but I think Jack's just got the biggest one of the day, I think. Pick him up, Jack. Let's have a look.
No.
Thumb in his mouth. You got control. Nice. Hold him up a bit. It's a nice fight that was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, let's release him. What's our rod?
Bye bye.
Here you go. Whoop. Oh, just drop him. Nice. Good fish bite.
Good spot, this, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. Watch out, Rod. So, are you enjoying fishing, Harry? Nice. Right, so now you know. You don't just, as soon as they go for it, would you just pull in? Yeah, no. Because they test it first.
Yeah.
Just, you've got to be sneaky. You know what I mean? So, where's my rod? You catch a few more now?
It might go.
Do you think you can do it on your own, Jack?
Think I can do it?
I think so.
Why?
You already done it. I know, I'll catch you one now. You can reel it in.
Huh?
I'll get one now and you can reel it in.
Wait a minute, Dad.
Alright, you're tangled up. Huh? Just remember, just get a bit of bread, just fold it over and pinch it. Make sure the hook's sticking out a bit, facing away.
Big one ever.
That was a big one.
How you feel?
What I'm going to do, I'm going to review the footage and see who had the biggest one. Might be the same fish, you know. No, I think that was just a bit bigger than my one. Oh, no. Can I get one from by there? Is that a fish? Stupid enough. Get it out a bit more. That is definitely a fish. Fish on.
If I just done it again, if I just roll back on itself.
What do you mean? Careful now, Harry. Some bread. Shh. No, no, yeah. No, not yet. Won't be long. You alright there, Jack? Got a tangle, have you? Oh, he just took it.
What?
He took the bread. Can you pass me a piece of bread? Jack, do you want to have a go with this one? I'll sort that out. Huh? What's wrong with it? Huh? If you've got to snap it off and start again, sometimes that's easier. You know what I mean? We'll go soon anyway. What the fuck? What's happened to mine? What happened to mine? What the fuck? Fish on. Fish on, Harry. Yep. It's the net.
Net.
Thank you. It's not a bad size. Yeah, I'm losing track of how many this is now.
Yeah. That fish thingy. He was getting grabbed, didn't he? Hi. Who made the bird?
It's not sure what number this is, but it's a nice size.
10?
Number 10. I think the GoPro's still going.
Yeah.
I think. Jack, have a go with this rod. Come on. Do your bread now. Hold on, got bread? What about you then? It's by there, no. There's a bag of it by there now. Let's see what he's done. What have we done today? Well, your split shots have come off. That's what's happened. You've got no split shots on it. Okay. Let's just tie a knot in. I know. Some bread. What's the matter? Got itchy legs.
Mm.
You been by the stingies?
Don't know.
What's the matter now?
Nick the bread.
You got to be cunning like a fish.
Can you get a fish, Dad? Yeah, be like a fish.
Think like a fish.
Be like
Stinker like a finker. Hello?
I'm a fish. Get away.
You're a fish. You're a fish. Stand back from that. What did I tell you about too close to there?
I wish I'd go home.
You wish you could go home? You will now in a minute. Go and pack up. Break up some bread for me. Pass that bread, Harry, by there. Anytime today, mate. Anytime today. Oh, they're taking her over there, Jack. They're taking her over there.
How many fish?
Huh?
How many fish? How many fishes?
Lots. Lots. Oh, look at that fucker. Right, the last cast for me, this is. This is the last cast for me. Hey, Harry. Huh? Going? Right in front of me, boy. Fish on. I don't think your rod's broke. Fast in there. I think it is. Might be a big one.
What's that way of that rod, Harry?
It's a nice one. Oh. Yeah, boy. Oh, oh, this is definitely the biggest. Oh, definitely. I can feel it. 100%. 100%. This is the biggest. 110%. I mean, you might think you had the biggest, but I think I just whooped you. Is the camera still rolling? Yep. Slippy.
Is that your last one?
Yep, that was my last cast.
Why is he bleeding?
He's okay.
His leg.
Yeah, just make it out.
See your old fish.
I love.
See your old fish.
Seen old fish?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Look at us. Big candle. Carp. Big candle. You.
Right, that was my last cast and the biggest, definitely the biggest fish of the day, 100%. Look at that. Beast. Beast mode, that's how you do it. Do it, boys. Oh. He's a little wriggler. Right, let's get him back quick. Oh. Oh.
Yeah. Let him go.
He's too big.
Let him go.
Chill out, man. Chill out. Fuck. He didn't hit himself. Whew, right. Do you want to cast again?
No, no.
No? Right, so that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Want to see the video?
Right then. Do you want to have another cast?
No, no.
Sure?
Yeah.
Got enough of you?
Yeah.
Right then, boys.
That's good.
That was good. Grab all the stuff.
We'll do it next time.
What?
We'll do it next time.
Yeah. You alright? Go on, give me my phone. Right, let's go pack up our stuff, boys. Bring the bread in as well. Whoa, whoa.
Stop.
Where's your hook? Oh. Huh? Oh. Do you want to cast out one last? Go on, you've baited it up. One last try. I'll drop this. Come over here. Come on, catch a fish. Come over here. Let me show you how to do it. Cast out as far as you can and just leave it. Like, watch yourself, Harry. Come by me. Huh? Right, whoa, no. That's where you're messing up. What have you done? What the fuck are you doing? Right. What have you done? Is that already tangled?
I don't know. It's just...
Right, reel it in. Go on. Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
There. Now cast as far out as you can. Harry, come on dear. Right, cast as far out as you can. Right. Now just look at that bit of bread. Reel in the drop your line. Reel in the slack a bit. Just a bit until you see the bread move with the float. Stop, that's it, right. Now wait, that was the first strike. Now, pull it. Get it on. Yeah, boy. See?
Yeah.
How do you get the net? Get the net. Wait, not too much, Jack. Let it out a bit. Relax, relax, relax. Quick. Get the mat. Relax, just relax. That's alright. There, so you caught one.
Yeah,
You sussed it out like.
Yeah.
go. You get the hook out.
Yeah.
Let's get the fruit.
We need like a bit.
Huh? Hang about, hang about. Oh, grab it. Watch that rod. There we go. Sorry, we were gonna go home. I just said goodbye, but Jack's rod was baited up, so I said you can't just not chuck it in if it's baited up. And there you go. Sorted. Nice little fish. How many have you got now? 3. Harry, watch the rods. You're gonna be in big trouble, mate. What's big trouble? It's like little trouble, only bigger. Go over there, mate. Right, let's release. Nice, get all the slime off your hands. Are you itching, Harry?
Yeah.
Why? You're allergic to something? We see? You had fun fishing?
Yeah.
Right, let's go and pack up then, shall we?
Okay.
Say bye.
Bye.
What do you want to say?
Bye.
What's your rod?